Buckle up, performance enthusiasts! Audi is about to shake things up. Meet your next dream car, the all-new 2026 Audi RS5. The wait is almost over. Rumors are swirling that Audi will officially unveil the next-gen RS5 before the end of June 2025. And once it hits the spotlight, expect this electrified beast to hit dealerships shortly after. For North American fans, the RS5 Sedan, technically a sleek 5-door liftback, is confirmed for the 2026 model year. But those craving the avant wagon, keep your fingers crossed. Its stateside arrival is still up in the air. Gone is the Sportback name, making way for a more traditional sedan design that's anything but ordinary. This is now referred to as the RS5 Sedan, and it keeps that sexy sloping roofline and practical hatchback trunk. As for the Avant, the wagon version remains a fan favorite overseas, especially in Europe. But don't hold your breath for a US release just yet. Audi hasn't made that call official. Now here's where Audi pulls out all the stops. The 2026 RS5 is going hybrid. It's the first ever RS5 to adopt plug-in tech, combining a punchy 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor. Combined output, over 600 horsepower. Some reports even suggest numbers that could rival the mighty Mercedes-AMG C63 SE performance. And acceleration, think sub 3 seconds, 0-60 miles per hour. It'll also offer a limited pure electric range, perfect for silent city cruising or sneaking into the garage without waking the neighbors. Audi's gone full attack mode on the styling. The front features a bold new single-frame grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, maybe even laser-high beams, and a bumper design that screams performance. Wider flared wheel arches, sculpted hood lines, and side-mounted charging port confirm this is no regular A5. Out back, expect distinctive dual exhausts, a subtle diffuser, and that signature horizontal light bar. Step inside, and you're greeted by Audi's next-gen MMI system, a fully digital cockpit, and a race-inspired layout when you engage performance mode. Luxury meets function with premium fine Nappa leather, massage seats with dynamic bolsters, and intuitive touch controls. This isn't just fast, it's refined. With Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, a tuned sport suspension, and upgraded brakes, the RS5 isn't just chasing the horizon, it's redefining it. And it's not alone in the hybrid arena. It goes wheel-to-wheel with the BMW M3 and the monstrous Mercedes-AMG C63 SE performance. But Audi's bringing serious firepower to the fight. Now, how much will this electrified icon cost? While official figures are under wraps, estimates put the starting price around $80,000, right in line with its elite rivals. So what do we have? A bold new chapter for Audi's RS lineup. The 2026 RS5 combines head-turning design, cutting-edge tech, and a plug-in hybrid powertrain that delivers over 600 horsepower. It's faster, smarter, and ready to take on the best in class. If you're excited about the future of performance cars, drop a like, subscribe, and let us know. Would you choose the RS5 over the C63 or M3?